In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your upcoming events. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Collaboration. Once you're at your Collaboration homepage, go to your new top menu bar and click on Events. You should arrive at your events calendar. You can view your upcoming events a day, week, or month at a time, or you can view them in the list view. Let's say I want to view them by week. I will go ahead and click on week. I don't have any events this week, so I'm going to hit the forward arrow. And now I've arrived at a week that does have an event. If I wanted to go backwards, I could hit the backwards arrow. And if I wanted to go back to today, I could hit the Today button. To view the details for an event, click on that event. And a pop-up menu will display the event's details. You can see the date for the event, the times, the title of the event. This is for Employee Appreciation Week. Any notes? This one says, don't forget to vote for activities and food. I can also click on Shares, and now I can see who this event has been shared with. I can scroll down, and you'll see it's been shared with users, which in this case are the managers, and the employees. So just looking at this, I can tell this event has been shared with everyone. To exit out of this, I can hit Close. And that's how you view your events and their details. To learn how to add and share an event, check out the next video.